In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create multiple dashboards in GoHighLevel. Multiple dashboards are a powerful way to separate reporting by client, campaign, or team focus, so you can see only the metrics that matter in each context. We'll keep this simple and clear, and I'll add helpful context along the way, so you know exactly what's happening at each stage. To begin, make sure you're on your main dashboard view inside your GoHighLevel account, and that you have permission to create dashboards. You'll see an option labeled Add Dashboard. Click that. This opens the dashboard creation flow and tells GoHighLevel you want to spin up a new space for widgets and reports without disturbing your existing layout. If you already have one dashboard, don't worry. Adding another won't overwrite anything. You're simply creating a new separate view. Next, in the Creation window, choose the option from Template Library. Templates are curated, pre-built layouts designed for common use cases like lead generation, sales pipelines, or revenue tracking. Selecting the template library saves you setup time and helps ensure you don't miss key widgets you might need. Think of it as a jumpstart. Instead of placing widgets one by one, you're importing a ready-made structure that you can fine-tune later. You'll now see a list of available templates. Browse through and click Choose on the one that best fits your needs. As you evaluate options, consider which KPIs you care about most: new leads, appointments, conversions, or revenue, and pick the template that aligns with those goals. The template names and brief descriptions will help you decide. If you manage multiple clients or departments, you might select different templates for each, so every dashboard speaks directly to its audience. After you click Choose, give it a moment to load. GoHighLevel will assemble the layout, populate the widgets, and prepare the data connections behind the scenes. Load times can vary slightly depending on account size and template complexity, so a short wait is normal. When it finishes, your new dashboard appears alongside your original. That's it. You now have multiple dashboards in the same account, each purpose-built for a specific lens on your data. From here, you can repeat the same process anytime you want another focused view. A quick tip: before adding more, decide on a clear naming convention and purpose for each dashboard, so your team immediately understands which one to use. Keep the first version simple, validate that it shows the right metrics, and only then consider refining the layout. And that's the full process. Add a dashboard, pull it from the template library, choose the best fit, and let it load. You've just set yourself up for cleaner insights and faster decision-making.